Apply once and you'll never have this problem again. To start, add 500 milliliters of hot water to a container. Add 2 tablespoons of your preferred detergent. Give it a quick stir. Next, add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Mix again. Add 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Lastly, add 1.5 tablespoons of hair gel. Mix everything well, then let it sit. Cover with a cloth and leave for 30 minutes. After, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. It's ready to use. Now just apply it all over your dog. It'll eliminate any fleas or ticks on them. No more expensive meds when you can make this at home. That's another tip for you. I hope you found it helpful. Take care and see you next time.